fishing off the bank of the Alabama River. I didn't know how the fishing would be because, heck, about a week ago I'd have been 30 feet underwater right now with all the flooding we've had. But I come out here a minute ago and after 2 casts I caught a 1 pound 7 ounce. You know, so I'll add that into the video here. But before I come back and I'm using a shaky head with a biospawn chartreuse. I'm gonna see what if I can do anything with that real quick. And I got a spinnerbait tied on. And what was that other thing? Oh, football head jig with cracking crawl. May have to go get a square bill. It's a bunch of little rocks right out here. Square bill would be good. Oh, got one. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, it's a fighter. Oh, I'm hoping I'll see. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, heck yeah. Heck, we're going to put together a nice little bag today. There we go. Barely hooked inside of the mouth. Oh, let's see what this little chub turns out to be like. £1 pound 3 ounces. So I'm at, after 2 fish, I'm at 2 pounds 10 ounces. Well, look at that. Pretty little fish. A little scarring right here. There we go. I can't get too close to the water. I don't know what it feels like. Anyway, heck yeah, that's a good way to start the day. I think I've made 6 or 7 casts in total and 2 fish on 2 different lures. One was a little white spinnerbait, and then that one was on a little shaky head.